It's bubblegummalicious.
Hello from EPCOT.
Thank you all so much for coming by and checking us out.
Today we're back at Flower and Garden Festival.
We are. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and check us out every Wednesday and Sunday for new videos.
Yes, and if you can please comment on this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
Amber, are you ready to go check out the food?
And the butterflies.
And the bees.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. So one of our favorite things that we like to do is the butterfly exhibit that they always do.
There's two of them right there.
Do they care?
I know, you love butterflies.
Bye, butterflies. Flowers in here are pretty too.
Yeah.
There's the monarch.
I think so. But we like coming in here just to kind of just hang out. I will say though, the canvas that they use blocks out a lot of the wind, so it gets really humid in here. But it's worth it. Of course, they have a whole bunch of cocoons. We actually have a whole bunch around our house too, which is kind of neat. You talk about the process and all that. Yeah.
next to each other.
We have a whole bunch up here in the corner.
I got that one. It's a little higher.
You have an orange one, a couple orange ones in here.
They're up top or something.
I know, but I'm not sure if it's a monarch or if it's something similar.
I don't know if they have them. I haven't really seen them. I don't know. I think they're the ones we were looking at earlier.
I'll say that's one.
There's a cocoon right here. That's really cool. I don't know if they didn't know about that or not.
One flew right here as you were filming, right above. And
Really?
I watched it in slow motion.
Ooh. The one that we went to in Branson was really cool because they would actually land on you and you could hold around like a nectar with a fake flower. It was really cool.
Well, at least we got to see our kids today.
Yeah.
me spin it for you?
Spinach. This is the jerk chicken for $6.25, and it's only a leg.
Those plantains.
And the plantain.
You got a little bit right there. And you got some rice.
Yeah,
See?
didn't look too bad. Only reason why I stopped is because I want something sweet. The only reason why I stopped is because the line was low.
Was low.
And over here is Kermit and Piggy.
Miss Piggy.
Miss Piggy. Kermit the Pig. And then over here.
You know what you said? Kermit.
Kermit.
So how was it, Brian?
Authentic.
Spicy, huh?
Oh, that's an understatement.
Was it good though?
Yeah. So when you go to Bahama Breeze, it is dumbed down. This is authentic, but it's good.
Get it again.
I'll get it again for sure.
So thumbs up or down?
Thumbs up. But I would have to get water next time. Fruishi. So it's a little warmer than usual. We asked for a cold one.
Or chilled.
Or a really chilled one. They didn't have it, but they put like really cold coconut sauce on it for her. So Amber's like, I know this is a repeat, but you can't have Flower and Garden without Fruishi. At least Amber can. So are you ready? Okay, we're ready. I'm kidding.
You didn't show your dirty plate.
So I'm sitting here like and I'm like thinking that she's still eating, and I'm like, oh, you're done? And she's like, bruh, I've been done. So how was it?
It was great. It was a lot better than last time.
Yeah. So it wasn't cold, but it wasn't hot. So it was chilled just enough. It was a cold coconut cream.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I think we should wander around. We do have a time for Frozen. So, and I don't know who these people are singing, so we can probably check them out too. Yeah, that's exactly how I felt too.
Welcome to Elsa's
Puddle.
Exactly!
When life gets rough, I like to hold on to my dream of relaxing in the summer sun.
Just let lost.
So every year they have the Blossoms of Fragrance, where they allow you to smell different flavors. This year they have different ones.
Smells good already.
And Amber already
The hydrangea.
started the smelling. This one is a hydrangea bouquet. Oh, that's not bad. That one doesn't smell that bad at all. It's not that strong. This is a
Honeysuckle dew.
honeysuckle dew. Ooh, I don't care for that one. Nope. See, my problem is they smell good, and then you take them home, and it's like, okay, too much.
Grapefruit. Ooh, that smells good too.
Okay, that one's not bad.
That one and hydrangea.
Hydrangea's not bad. They got a pineapple. That one's cute too.
That smells good too.
Ooh, that does smell good. Had a little bit of pineapple in it. And look, pineapples don't grow on trees. They grow on the ground.
That actually smells good too.
Oh, man. Okay, yeah, that doesn't smell bad. It's actually pretty subtle. So last year they actually had like different scents you can buy here, which was kind of nice.
You got me getting B-roll?
No, not this time. And last but certainly not least is the garden fresh gardenia. I don't like that one.
Rude.
I don't like that one either.
I like hydrangea and I like the grapefruit.
I like the succulent one. The sun's going to be making a sunset here pretty soon. It's burning pretty nice. So like last year, they were doing the same thing. They had the glorious grapefruit.
I got these and it lasted a while too.
Yeah. They did. They had the gardenia.
$20. Can you smell this?
And they had the hibiscus sunset.
Can you smell it?
And you smell this one?
Oh my god. The colors are popping though, aren't they?
Yeah.
Looking good.
I like the green one though. The green one's pretty cute. All right, so we're over here between Test Track and Connections, formerly known as Malskiers.
At BrunchCot.
At BrunchCot. We decided to grab the fried cinnamon roll bites. We opted for the
No candied bacon.
no candy bacon.
And it was $5.25.
$5.25 was a final total. It looks good. I can bring it over and Amber's like, bro, that's
the
all.
frosting?
So we got, can we just go get more? So it does look good. It does smell good.
That's the menu right there.
The menu is right over here. I actually thought Amber was going to grab the avocado toast, but surprisingly. But anyway, we're going to try it and see how it is. Besides it being all over your face,
Yeah.
actually it feels like it,
Let
right?
me do this though.
No, it does feel like it is. That was actually a heck of a lot better than I thought it was going to be.
Really good.
Yeah.
Just a little bit more drizzle of that cream cheese frosting.
Oh, no, you stole the one that was on my side.
No, it dripped on that side.
Oh, I didn't
So
see.
then I just turned it and then to my side.
Let's replay it.
Okay, play it.
That was actually really good. You want another one?
No.
No, that was actually a lot of sugar.
Because of, yeah, I can't have that much sugars.
Yeah, it was really good. I liked it. I liked it a lot. So, we still have yet to do a lot more food. That was hot. Jamaican jerk chicken was, it was so good. I don't know if I would do it again. If I do it again, I have to get some milk or water to wash it down. Amber's Fruishi was really good, right? This was better than I thought it was going to be. I still got to relive my lemon tart, which I haven't done yet. There's a lot of other things that we still have yet to try.
Well, we had to mark these sides now because Brian gave ours away that we wrote down.
I did. Someone that I work with, she's coming here in a month, and I was like, she goes, what do they have? I was like, here, just take ours. And then I'm like, oh no. And Amber's like, but we had doodled in it. I was like, I know. So she was looking through it. She goes, what did we mark? I was like, I can't remember.
I guess that means we have to try new stuff then.
Yeah, it's okay. But we're standing by to go ride Guardians for the second time today. Woo! Well, that's all, folks.
It was fun today.
Yeah, I think this is. Oh,
Go ahead.
I think this is the record amount of rides that we rode.
We rode Guardians twice. We rode Frozen. Soarin'.
Yeah, Chewy.
Two. 5 rides. Usually we ride like 2. And we had a couple of snacks. And
Yeah.
I think we were here longer at the parks than what we usually are.
Yeah, we got here about 1:30. It's about 8 o'clock, 8:30 right now. So we've been here practically all day.
Yeah,
So
the lines weren't too bad considering for a weekend.
yeah, a lot of the snacks were really good. Plus, this is your favorite time of year.
Yeah,
You know?
and it
So
goes until June.
it does. It is. I always said that the Festival of the Arts is a filler festival, so it's not always like it's not a full-blown festival in my opinion. So compared to this, but I don't know. I've always liked it. This one anyway.
Yes.
Better than food and wine in my opinion.
Sometimes Food and Wine has some good stuff, but
Good food.
we'll see this year.
Yeah, for sure. But if you made it this far, guys, don't forget to give us a good thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.